This is a video of a arthroscopic repair of an anterior inferior labral tear. There's many anchors that you can use to fix these types of injuries, but I prefer to use all suture anchors. The reason I like all suture anchors is because they're very small, so I can fit multiple anchors into a small area, which ultimately leads to a stronger repair. The other thing that's nice about these anchors is that they're knotless. What knotless means is that I can tension these without having to tie knots. The problem with knots in the shoulder joint is they can be a cause of pain because they're quite large. The other benefit of using a knotless all suture anchor is that I can sequentially tension them, meaning that after I've repaired the first one, I don't have to cut that repair suture, and instead I can save all of them and then tension them all together, which effectively eliminates any slack that could have occurred in the repair site over the course of the procedure. And this is demonstrated at the end of this video.
He's completed the Dankart repair. Now we're going to one by one sequentially tension the repair stitches to remove any slack that occurred after the repairs.